How to log in or sign in to Bitfinex account. Logging in or signing into your Bitfinex account is fairly a very simple process. What we have to do for that is go ahead and first of all launch the Bitfinex application on your mobile device, and first it will ask you to choose an interface between Lite and Pro. So if you are a beginner, a Lite mode will do just fine, so you can select Lite. Once done, at the top you can see two options: sign up or login. If you don't have an account, you can tap the sign up button from the top right. If you do have an account, tap the login button from the top left of the screen. Simply enter the email or username that is associated with your Bitfinex account, then go about entering your password. Then tap the login button and you will be successfully logged in. You can also log in using the API key instead of the application or the email and password method. So depending upon which method is much more comfortable for you, you could go ahead and then log in. That's all it takes for us to go ahead and then log into Bitfinex app. Hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.